what do you actually do once you have installed a small local grid? What do you add to empower the communities? What do you actually do to achieve that? The empowerment, yeah.
Thank you. I think this is very important question, because beside the impact side, I think we have a full business model that we're bringing through that process. First of all, our electricity is not free. So we're having the population is actually paying for the electricity, and it enables a lot of small businesses to develop. I think when we look at our clients, we even have a specific financement plan for welders, let's say, who need much power to be able to do their job on site. So we bring that that model that they can pay for the electricity and reinvest it into their business. That's the real core of social business, and where we also embrace really the idea of Mohamed Yunus, the Nobel Prize and creator of social business, is that we really want to bring in, beside electricity, a full business model where a population can realize their small businesses and can be empowered through that. With that, we also have a blended approach with other products that we're bringing around electricity. As you've mentioned before in the introduction, we also have some water pumps. We also have Wi-Fi that we're bringing. We're bringing clean water systems. All that put together with our financial models is really to empower the community at large with all the solutions they might need, again, to access economic and financial autonomy.